What's up, guys? Coming at you today with another video on what's been going on at the shop for the past couple of days. As you can see, we stay busy, man. Stay busy. You know what I mean? Got a lot of stuff. A couple of customs are done. Some wheel swaps, things like that. Well, I got a new truck. Well, I actually bought this truck back. I had it a while back, and I did a wheel swap on it, lowered it in the front. Came out pretty good. I like those trucks. That's the Big Bourbon. Y'all know the Ram. Got one here. I'm gonna be doing a wheel swap on soon. Not sure. What I'm gonna do, but I think it's gonna be awesome once I get those wheels swapped out. Got the Vet. This is an old wheel swap I did a long time ago when this thing first came out. Impala SS. Looking at doing a wheel swap on it. G-Wagon is done. Let's take a closer look at it. Got the windows tinted. Big shout out to Fields Custom Wheels. He told me to use some real tint, which I've done before, and I was just completely out of it, so I had to go and get some. Yeah, man, I did a matte black on it. Custom wheels from Cree Auto. By the way, they have a brand new set coming out. So check them out on eBay, on Instagram. Oh, check out the Bug, man. Got a cool little swap. Just messing around. Came out pretty good. Yes, sir. Getting them in and getting them out. The Chevelle. Oh, check him out. Nice. I actually lowered the car. Did a bunch of shaving and cutting. Threw on some real riders I had. I could have went lower, man, to slam it, but I was just gonna leave it like that. Another little quick wheel swap on the wagon. Put some real riders on it. That's it. Get him back in his spot. Matchbox Bentley. Pretty old casket. Now the Vet. This Vet did a little wheel swap on it. Just went with another set of plastic Hot wheels. Now this Vet had rally stripes on it. Some gray ones. So, as usual, I took them off. Took the rally stripes off. I painted the... Did I paint the undercarriage? No, I painted the interior. I did the interior matte black. You probably can't see it because the windows are pretty dark, but I thought it came out pretty good. Just messing around. Now I'm inside the shop. As you can see, we pretty cleared out. Got a lot of customs in and out. We got the S10. That's the Slab Crusher race truck we getting it ready for the track, and it's fast. We got a restore coming up. Been having this for a while. Ferrari, pretty good shape, but I actually had to fix this. It was kind of smashed in, so I took a butter knife, man, and kind of wedged it up a little bit, and it came out pretty good. Actually, it was done on both sides, and I was afraid I was gonna break it, but looks like the windshield can be brought back, but it's already masked up to be repainted. I think I'm gonna change the color on it, but I'm not quite sure. And picked up some new paint from the hobby shop, man. This was a cool looking color. Check it out. Burgundy red candy. And the dark cherry pearl. Yeah, I got some customs on the other side of the shop I can't really show right now because those are going to be in some future videos. But yeah, man, that's what we've been working on. Yeah, that's a Greenlight Ram. And I did a few updates on it. What I did was tinted the windows, took the chrome grill and bumper off, and put on the all black Ram grill and bumper. I actually have one on my big diorama in the garage, but I didn't do anything to it. But I just didn't like the chrome on this truck, and I've been having it for a while. It's kind of beat up, but that's what I do with my stuff, man. I actually play with them, and that's it. So what I got going on for the week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Peace.